Okay, so today we are going to go over different microphones for the T7i and for your cell phone. Okay, let's start here. This is the Purple Panda. It's a little clip-on mic, and this is for your cell phone. Okay, this specifically has a jack for your cell phone. However, it does come with an adapter for your DSLR. And the way you can tell the difference between these two, okay, as you can see here, this one with the 3 rings, it's a TRRS, I believe is what it's called. This is for your cell phone. This one here with the 2 rings, right there, 1, 2, that is for the DSLR. This one will not work in the DSLR, this one will not work in the cell phone. Okay, so we got that. This is a little clip-on, very nice, works very well. Now here's a quick sample. I have the lapel, the little clip-on mic attached right now, and I'm using it. So previously I was not using any mic at all because all my mics were actually here in front of you. So now I am using the lapel clip-on, so you can get kind of an idea of what it sounds like and the quality of it. We've got the Rode mic option. This one specifically has the connection for the DSLR. And then we have the smaller VideoMic ME Pro, which, let's bring this over. Again, as you can see there, has the 3, 1, 2, 3, which means it is for the cell phone. So this will work in the cell phone. In order to get it to work on the DSLR, you would need this little clip right here, like I just showed you, and this thing will work on, this will help this clip work right here, and it will help this work right here. Unfortunately, you can't just directly connect this into the side of the camera. You must connect this first, connect it into here, and I'm going to show you the setup here in a minute, and then this here will kind of sit on the screen, and I'll show you that here in a second. Okay, one thing that I actually had somebody ask me about, and I've seen people run into this problem, is if you're using a microphone on here, any kind of microphone, this has to be out of this, the auto flash. It either has to be on any other shooting mode but that. This auto flash right there will not allow it to record sound because it's going to want to shoot this up, okay? And if obviously if there's a mic here, it's going to mess with the flash. So you've got to turn your flash off, get it off of here, or else you're not going to be able to use anything. Okay, let's just get that out of the way first. I did have a couple people run into that issue. If you're brand new, totally understandable. You'd start there, put the hot mic, or put the mic in the hot shoe, hook it up, and go record a whole bunch of stuff, come back, and you have no sound. So just real quick, keep that out of there. Okay, so now I am actually filming with the Galaxy S7 Edge, and I'm using, again, the Purple Panda here, and I'm going to show you how to hook this up to the T7i or pretty much any DSLR with this guy, and it's very simple here. Come over here to your mic jack. Okay, so we're going to plug this guy up in here. Plug this guy on here. Okay, so we're going to take this, attach it here gently. Now again, I don't know if this is recommended or not, but there, now you've got the shotgun mic, it's attached correctly, you're on, let's record. Testing, 1, 2, 3, hello. Hello. If you haven't yet, subscribe to Aaron's Practical Reviews. Okay, let's see if that works. Works perfectly. And there you go, guys. That's how you would use this on a DSLR. You need this little adapter. I believe that's the TRS or TRL. Is it TRL or TRS? I don't know. I think it's a TRS. I will have it linked in the description below. I'll actually link this up because if you buy this, it comes with all these different adapters, this, and the lapel mic that I'm using now for 25 bucks. And like I said, you're not going to find all this stuff. I just think that's an awesome little deal that's going to be super useful. I used it for my last video where I talked about the difference between the Panasonics, or the similarities, the Panasonic and the T7i, the G7 and the T7i. I used this new mic the entire video and I thought it sounded great when I was outdoors. So anyways, all right, so there's that. And then, you know, for anybody who doesn't know, I'll just go over this guy real quick. This is the, you know, this is very simple. I think everybody has seen this. There's no reason to test it. Every vlogger on the planet uses some variation of this. You know, that plugs in there and this is ready to go. This is way more convenient because it's designed specifically for it. But like I said, if you're using this and you want to use your cell phone, let's try this guy here. This with this adapter here. And now, because this is the 3-prong, now you can use this with your cell phone. So let me show you that and let's test that out real quick. Okay, so let's test this, the big shotgun mic, on the cell phone with the cell phone adapter, see if that works. And just so you know, right now I am shooting with the T7i, the 24mm lens, and I'm using this here for sound. Let me clip this on. And I'm using it with the adapter. So let's see how this works here. Okay, well, my hand is right on there, so let's plug this up. I'm not going to unravel this. I'm just doing this strictly for demonstration purposes. Okay, now let's pick this up. Hello, hello. Please subscribe to Aaron's Practical Reviews. And this is the, again, the Rode mic with the dead cat. Okay, that's long enough. Let's see how that worked. Cool. And there you go, guys. So that's how, with these couple of adapters, with all this stuff, you can get really good audio for your cell phone. With this guy, with these adapters, you can go straight here. You can get this little guy. Now they're all interchangeable in any situation, strictly because I got these adapters with this Purple Panda kit here for 25 bucks. So this is an excellent little purchase. Like I normally don't try to push things on here, but I'm telling you, this thing here is awesome. Now I've only had it for a couple weeks. I've used it quite a bit. It does come with an extra clip, a couple other things, pretty cool. And of course I've shown videos on this before and on this, but I've never been able to use these interchangeable with both my cell phone and my camera as I'm recording and make a video. So now that I can do that and get pretty good sound throughout the entire video, I'm pretty psyched about that. So I wanted to share this with you. And I had somebody actually ask me earlier today why this wasn't working on their DSLR. And the reason was because they didn't have the adapter. So, all right, guys, that is it. Hopefully this video was helpful or useful for you. And again, subscribe, check the links below. I'll have these guys linked up and I'll have descriptions next to them so you're not confused. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Yeah, have a great day.